Pollution from ground runoff is a growing problem in our country. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Pollution from runoff, also known as non-point source pollution, comes from many different sources. It's caused by rainfall or snow melt moving over and through the ground. As the runoff moves, it picks up and carries away both natural and man-made pollutants, finally depositing them into lakes, rivers, wetlands, coastal waters, and even our underground sources of drinking water. As a homeowner, you can help by controlling the sources of pollution in your own backyard. Keep your septic tank in good working order. Use fertilizer sparingly and sweep up any excess from driveways, sidewalks, and roads. Never dump anything down storm drains. Direct roof runoff away from paved surfaces and bare soil. Check your car for fluid leaks, recycle your used motor oil, and make sure that you pick up after your pet. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. From patio to paradise, enter our Backyard Paradise contest through April 14th to win $10,000 in paved stone materials and labor, giving you the yard of your dreams. Go to todayshomeowner.com/contest and tell us why you need a Backyard Paradise makeover.